Just as a friendly reminder that there's a variety of tax filings and tax returns that you have to be aware of. There's some that have already passed, like the empty homes tax. The declaration was in February, so make sure you're on it. Even if you forgot, get it done. There's also the Spec Tax. That's the declaration that needs to be filed immediately. UHT, the 2022 and the 2023 must be filed this tax season. So I believe the deadline for that is April 30th for both years. So even though that they had given a variety of extensions for 2022, don't miss doing the 2023. So that's definitely my big warning to everybody. So the UHT needs to be filed for both years, 2022, 2023. There's also now the T3 tax filing, so then make sure you have that. That's a trust filing that needs to be done by the end of this month. So that has to be done by the end of March. So you're really running out of time. So definitely talk to your accountant to figure out all the filing requirements that you might be eligible to do. A lot of them, the government is basically acknowledging that you will likely be exempt. However, you will not be exempt from the penalty if you don't file. So UHT especially. So make sure, so UHT, Spec Tax, there's a vacancy one that I forgot to mention in there too. Empty homes, T3 trust filings, and if you're currently purchasing properties, or if you had in the past, you had to do the transparency reporting. Hopefully your lawyer had gotten to that already because that was due last year. But for all new parcels, that has to be done alongside your purchase. So that's just the newest of them all. And of course, now you're going to be eligible for the flip tax if that falls under your threshold in your portfolio. So just be aware of all these wonderful taxes coming in and the deadlines associated with it, because you don't want to get penalized for something that you're actually exempt for.